Okay, welcome to the new tutorial. In this one, I'm going to teach you how to do a grunge type texture over a picture. So the first thing you want to do after you open the image is get a texture. I'm using this one. I like using things like brick walls or rocks or something like that. Okay, so after you drag it onto your image, you want to move it so that it's not covering the whole image, it's covering part of it or half of it or something like that. Then you want to set the blend mode to overlay. Now, I don't know if you can see it in this image, but it kind of casts a line down the center. So you want to create a layer mask and use the gradient tool and make sure it's going from white to black and drag it across the image so that it kind of fades the texture we just made. Okay, so then after that you want to create a new layer for color. You can use whatever color you want. I'm going to use kind of an orangish brown color, and the code for that is DB942C. And then get your paint bucket tool, and after you've done that you want to set the blend mode to soft light. Okay, then merge the layers, and let's drag the second texture onto the image. Now this one you do want to cover the whole image, so we're going to move it into place. And you want to set this mode to hard light. Now if part of the texture is covering the face like it is here, you can take the eraser tool and make sure it's a soft brush and click over the face so it erases it. Then you want to merge the layers again. Now you want to make a new layer and get a brush. The brush that I'm going to use is a document type brush. You can use a document like the one I'm using, which is basically just a list. You can use an old type document. You can just use words. You don't even have to use a document. You can use letters, lines, whatever brush you think would suit your image. And just click. And click. And then after you've done that, you can set the blend mode to linear burn. And if you want, you can change the opacity. I'm going to change mine just a bit. And then take the eraser tool again and erase around the face. And then layer, flatten image. And you're done.